Are you experiencing a consistent loss of energy or feel like your metabolism is steadily slowing down? Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt, Vermont's wellness and weight loss expert and owner of Nutrimost Vermont. Many of us ignore decreasing energy levels, a slowing metabolism, and weight gain, attributing them to a normal sign of aging. Getting older isn't the issue. Our Nutrimost program literally reprograms how your body processes food, nutrition, and fat. By restoring balance to your hormone levels, we're able to control and improve your metabolism, even your food cravings. In fact, we guarantee you'll lose at least 20 to 40 pounds in just 40 short days. And because this program restores your body to its optimal balance, you will not gain the weight back. I encourage you to call us at Nutrimost Vermont today and join the hundreds of Vermonters just like you who've experienced real results.